Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys. And if your blower motor fan, that's the heater fan inside the cabin, does not work, guys, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. You actually have a relay for the blower motor fan as well, and we have a separate video. Check it out, guys. You can see where you can remove it, replace it, where it's located as well, the relay. In today's video we'll cover the fuse. If your blower motor fan does not work, it could be many things, guys. It could be a bad fuse, bad relay, bad resistor, or a bad fan. And we have a video on the channel for each one of them, so check it out. Quick introduction, guys. Now, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, will be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, relays, fuses, guys, anything like that, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so check it out and you can see where you can get them from for a really good price, fast shipping as well. This right here, guys, it's a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on, and the blower motor fan, okay, it may work, look in two different ways. It could be a manual switch or digital one. Ours is the manual, okay, right here. Yours, guys, okay, it could be the one with a button if you have the climate control. So it really, guys, okay, it really depends on which configuration you have. Now let me show you where you can find, okay, that fuse and how to actually remove and replace that fuse, guys. The procedure is very simple. This is, as I said, 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on, guys. And let me show you now, okay, what we'll be doing. We'll go ahead. So which fuse, guys, it is? Okay, let me explain to you quick, guys. I'll go ahead, open the hood now. Okay, and once we open the hood, we'll support it right here, guys. Okay, we have a fuse box. Check it out. This is the fuse box, guys. How we open it, pretty simple. We push in here, pull up. Now you can even remove that cover if you want to, guys. Good news, you have the fuse numbers and relays printed on the back side. Bad news, you don't have the description here, so it doesn't tell you what it's for. That's a bad thing, guys. What we're looking at now, guys, it's fuse number 63. So looking at it here, this is fuse number 63, guys. So this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fuse, okay, in this row. So if we come right here, even if you have a missing fuse, we count it as well. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 40 amp fuse, guys, that's what we need right here. So what I do, I grab it here with the fuse puller, okay, and pull it out. This is it, guys. This is the fuse. Now if you guys need to get new fuses like that, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so you can see where you get them from for a really good price, fast shipping as well, guys. Also, you can tell if it's good or bad fuse by looking at the glass part here. This looks like a perfectly fine fuse, so definitely, okay, I'm trying to focus here, no problem here, so that's great, guys. But if you need to buy new ones, we have the link in the description of the video below. When you're ready with that, it's super important that you do not forget to actually, guys, install your fuse cover, because if you do, you will end up having all that dust, dirt, humidity and moisture inside, and that will damage your fuse box and you may need replacing yours in the future. So make sure you install it correctly. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.